breakfast food that will help you look younger. According to dietitians, there are numerous products available in the market that claim to help you achieve youthful skin. However, there are natural methods to take care of your skin without spending any money. The food you consume plays a significant role in the appearance of your complexion. Aging is inescapable, but studies have indicated that various vitamins, minerals, and substances presented in our diet can slow down the aging process and hydrate the body, resulting in a more youthful appearance. Therefore, why not make use of nutrients in the breakfast you consume? There are many options that have essential nutrients to help you appear younger than your actual age. Some of these breakfast options include smoothie. Fruit smoothies are dense beverages made from crushed fruit, sometimes with the addition of yogurt or ice cream. They are rich in antioxidants that can help repair skin damage. Additionally, smoothies are effective way to stay hydrated, promoting a consistently fresh appearance for your body. Number 2 on the list is avocado. If you enjoy consuming avocado, consider incorporating it into a breakfast routine. The creamy green food can aid in preventing premature aging of the skin. Avocado are source of omega-3 fatty acid which can also assist in improving skin dryness. Number 3 on the list is eggs. Regardless of whether you like your eggs scrambled, fried, or hard boiled, experts recommend including them in your breakfast for skin nourishment. Number 4 on the list is potatoes. Consider swapping traditional hash browns or home fried or sweet potatoes. These root vegetables contain carotenoids, potent and antioxidants derived from vitamin A that offer photoprotective properties, shielding your skin from harm. Sweet potatoes are also rich in vitamin C, a crucial element in skin regeneration. Research has indicated that women over 40 with a lower intake of this vitamin were more prone to developing wrinkles. Potatoes are highly beneficial for nourishing the body, particularly for individuals aged 40 and above who are looking to maintain a youthful appearance. Who are looking to maintain a youthful appearance. For more valuable content, visit my channel and consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Subscribing will ensure you stay updated without any negative consequence. We look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you for watching and goodbye.